So we are at the Portarama Festival and we are at the Vintage Car Show, and I just thought I'd show you a few of these beauties. This one looks like something from the future. Right parked beside something from the past. And look at this Corvette.
50-50 tickets, $5. 5 for 5.
Hi, Gail.
See you in the video.
And look at this one. The doors are so amazing. That is such a neat powder blue. When's the last time you saw something powder blue this amazing? And we have some more wonderful vehicles over here. Oh my gosh.
No, it's acting up. I only had a couple rides that was it. It's acting up.
Oh my goodness.
The clutch cable's broken, so I ordered a new one. I thought I ordered.
Clearly the engine is in the back of this car. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. I just love it. Let's take a look at some of this amazing hood ornaments here. They are so cool. Very, very awesome. And then of course, the interior dials. That's what always gets me excited. Look at that bright yellow machine, Mighty Machine. And you have a bumblebee inside your Mighty Machine today. I love it. I love bumblebees. And then we have green. You know, that's one of my favorite colors. This bright red Mighty Machine. We can take a look at the inside of them. Very neat. Camaro, when's the last time you saw a Camaro live and in person? And this clean. Very, very interesting. We're just gonna come around here, do a few more look-sees. See looks. All at the Portarama Show in Port McNicoll, Ontario. These lovely old Mighty Machines. What a treat. And there is the Mustang symbol, and we'll end it on that.